Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This is an after convention video, convention Oosterhout Nijmegen, Netherlands. And the reason for this after convention video is that one and that. It's originally a cooling block for a PC CPU, and for this arm it is used as a counterweight, because of the hand. However, as you can see, it's no longer in its place and it has to be refixed. But the main question is, why is it no longer there? So, well, there is a simple question, a simple solution, simple answer. Well, simple answer mostly. But the solution is less simple than it seems, because if this happens, other things can happen too. So, and this one is hanging under the arm. The other two are lying on the arm, but to make this one go up, I don't like it. So I have to find a different solution. And let's see how that works out. Alright, it's the screencast again. After a lot of problems. First of all, my headset didn't want to be recognized. And then this whole camera setting didn't work at all. Well, it did work, but not as stable as you see it now. I tried various applications, VLC, cheese, and some other, but it wasn't as stable as this. So let's hope that this stays this stable. Otherwise, I have to use my other camera. Anyway, the problem at hand is, like I said in the introduction, this one, and moreover, this construction. So what to do about it? Because, well, this is the other piece and it clearly went out. Constructed like this, and somehow it came out. It got away from this as well. And this is not exactly lightweight, so it fell down. And that was, by the way, during transport. And I have transported it many times by now. So, because it fell over here, I have to check the whole lot. This and this also came out a little bit. I had to push it back. So what to do about it? This is the same thing as here, and it is the same thing as on the other side. I have to replace it. There's no other option. But how? Using these screws in another block, and then how to fix this one permanently. That's a big question. I have to find it out. Because if it falls out once, it may easily fall out twice and more. And I don't want that. So let's figure out. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. With quite some reconstruction and testing, I think I've accomplished quite a bit. Not quite done yet. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and leave a bell, click the bell for notification if you haven't already done so. Thanks to my supporters for your contribution, listed on my website, special page. If you want to support my channel, then you can do so via PayPal, by becoming a patron, and by becoming a member via Ko-fi. And this is going to be continued, obviously. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.